I want the people to know that he saved my soul, but I still like to listen to the radio. They say rock and roll is wrong, we'll give you one more chance. I say I feel so good, I gotta get up and dance. I know what's right, I know what's wrong, I don't confuse it. All I'm really trying to say is why should the devil have all the good music? And I feel good every day, because Jesus is the rock and he rolled my blues away. They say to cut my hair, they're driving me insane. I grew it out long to make room for my brain, but sometimes people don't understand what's a good boy doing in a rock and roll band. There's nothing wrong with playing blues lit, but if you got a reason, tell me to my face. Why should the devil have all the good music? There's nothing wrong with what I play. Ah, Jesus is the rock and he rolled my blues away. All right. I ain't knocking the hymns, just give me a song that has a beat. I ain't knocking the hymns, just give me a song that moves my feet. I don't like none of those funeral marches. I ain't dead yet. Jesus told the truth and Jesus showed the way. There's one more thing I'd like to say. They nailed him to the cross and they laid him in the ground, but you should have known you can't keep a good man down.